Welcome to a beautiful snowy day here in Monticello, Minnesota at Open Road RV. My name is Dave Z, and I was hoping to give you a tour of one of our campers on our showroom floor. Today we're going to cover the 2025 Forest River Heritage Glen, 25 RBHL. Come on inside. Let's take a look. All right, here is the 2025 Forest River Heritage Glen 25 RBHL. Come on inside. Let's take a look around. Let's start things off in the bathroom here. It's a nice shower, nice lighting. Some good storage here for towels or what have you. Also, pay no attention to that nerd in the mirror. More storage throughout the bathroom. Ample storage, you might say. This is where the control panel is located. Controls the awning and the slide outs, water pumps, tank heaters, JBL sound system, and then your hot water on demand. They have some great looking comfy furniture in here. Ample seating for a family to sit down and have lunch or dinner. RVs are great places to make memories. Let's take a look at all the appliances here. So a nice fridge. Nice sized freezer. Microwave, stove. More storage. Lot of storage. Also a nice little extension of the countertop. So let's move on to the bedroom. One great feature of this bedroom is the Versatilt bed incliner. Allows for a lot more room walking through that bedroom. Thermostat. See, on each side of the bed there's some nice storage cabinets inside there. A little mirror, a place to hang your clothes. Alright, that is the control for that Versatilt bed as well. So that's about it for inside. Take a little look around here one more time. What do you think? All right, well, let's head outside for a quick little walk around tour. Check out these lights up front. I love the look of those lights up front. Great pass-through storage. You can never have too much storage. As we come around the back here of the 2025 Forest River Heritage Glen 25 RBHL, this pretty much wraps up our little walk around tour. This is Dave Z from Open Road RV in Monticello, Minnesota. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.